CODP at 50. Seeds of Compassion, Roots of Empowerment. Canara, the beautiful coastal region nestled in the southern state of Karnataka, has a rich history of nurturing communities and fostering development. But it wasn't until 1974 that a new chapter began. A chapter marked by compassion, empowerment, and hope. The Carmelite mission had long been the cornerstone of charitable works in this region until the late 1800s when Mangalore was established as a diocese. From then on, the torch of charity and development was carried forward by the clergy of Mangalore Diocese. But it wasn't until 1974 that a formal organization was established to streamline and coordinate these efforts, a beacon of hope known as the Canara Organization for Development and Peace, or CODP. For 50 years, CODP has been at the forefront of restoring dignity to the poor and marginalized, irrespective of caste, color, or creed. Through a myriad of projects and programs, CODP has touched the lives of thousands across Dakshin Kannada and Udupi districts in Karnataka, as well as Kasargodu and Manjeshwara taluks of Kerala state.
Over the past 5 decades, the Canara Organization for Development and Peace has spearheaded a multitude of transformative projects. From the Beltangadi and Kundapur package programs to the establishment of an agricultural school, CODP has been instrumental in bringing about positive change in the communities it serves. Central to CODP's mission is the empowerment of women. Through targeted women empowerment projects and the formation of self-help groups, CODP has enabled women to take control of their destinies and become agents of change in their communities. Furthermore, CODP has been at the forefront of environmental protection with initiatives focused on natural resource management. From promoting sustainable agriculture to advocating for the conservation of local ecosystems, CODP is committed to safeguarding the environment for future generations.
ನಮ್ಮ ಫಾತಿಮಾ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಲವಾರು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲು ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳ ಪಯಣಕ್ಕೆ ದಾರಿಯ ದೀಪವಾಗಿರುವ CODP ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಆಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ CODPಯಿಂದ ಕಳೆದ ವರ್ಷ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುಕ್ತ ಪರಿಸರವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅದರ ಕುರಿತು ನಮಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನನಗೆ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಮೊದಲು CODP ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಎರೆಹುಳ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಎರೆಹುಳ ಗೊಬ್ಬರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕೃಷಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೃಷಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ.
ನಾನು ಆಲ್ಬರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೋಜ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹೂಳು ಎತ್ತದ 60 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ CODP ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಸುಮಾರು 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೂಳೆತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೂಳೆತ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದರೊಂದು ಸಹಾಯ ಪಡೆಯುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಸಾಧಾರಣ 5-6 ಮನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ನೀರು ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು.
എൻ്റെ പേര് റയ്യാന. CODP ജനനി സംഘത്തിൻ്റെ മെമ്പറാണ്. ഞാൻ 2 ഏക്കർ സ്ഥലം പാട്ടത്തിനെടുത്തിട്ട് നെൽകൃഷിയും അത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം പച്ചക്കറി കൃഷിയും ഞാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. മുമ്പ് കുറച്ച് ഞാൻ രാസവളം ഇട്ടുകൊണ്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു.
ನನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯು 1500 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದರ ಚಾವಣಿಯ ನೀರನ್ನು ಪೈಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾನು ಬಾವಿಗೆ ರಿಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
In addition to its project-based work, CODP operates a training wing known as the Institute for Social Development, ISD. Here, individuals from all walks of life receive comprehensive training to enhance their skills and capabilities. Moreover, the Rusem Community College at Pakshikere has provided invaluable training to school dropout youth, equipping them with life skills and technical expertise for a brighter future.
ನಾನು 31ನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದ್ವಿಚಕ್ರ ವಾಹನ ತರಬೇತಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡೆ. ರುಸಂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ನಮಗೆ ತರಬೇತುದಾರರಾಗಿದ್ದ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರು ನನಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಹೀಗೆ ಸ್ವಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕಿನ್ನಿಗೊಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸಾಲ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ರುಸಂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡುವ ಸ್ವಉದ್ಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋಸ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿಜಯ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಬಡತನ ಅಷ್ಟರವರೆಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಡತನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 6-7 ಮಂದಿ ಇದ್ದರು. ತಂದೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ದುಡಿದು ಹಾಕಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಇದಿತ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಆ ಸ್ವಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟರವರೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನ ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಿಂದ ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಿರಋಣಿ.
CODP ensures access to essential healthcare services through initiatives like the Father L.M. Pinto Health Center at Badyar Belthangadi. Here, preventive and curative measures are provided to address the health needs of the community. From self-help groups empowering women to educational initiatives for youth, from healthcare services to environmental conservation, CODP's impact has been profound and far-reaching. Under the visionary leadership of Most Reverend Dr. Basil Salvador de Souza, the founder president, the journey of CODP began from the office located at the Bishop's House in Kodialbail. Bishop Aloysius Paul de Souza, who took the helm in 1996, continued the organization's programs from its new premises located at Kadri Hills, Nantur Padao. His guidance served as a steady force in shaping CODP's trajectory. Presently, under the stewardship of Most Reverend Dr. Peter Paul Saldana, who assumed leadership in 2018, CODP remains steadfast in its commitment to implementing projects and programs that address the charity and social service needs of the Diocese of Mangalore. These 3 bishops have been instrumental in steering CODP through changing times, ensuring its evolution and adaptation to meet the needs of the communities it serves.
The journey of CODP is marked by the remarkable contributions of its secretaries, each leaving an indelible mark on the organization's path of progress and service. Reverend Monsignor Edwin C. Pinto, Founding Secretary of Canara Organization for Development and Peace. Reverend Monsignor Edwin C. Pinto pioneered impactful initiatives during his tenure. As Director of the Rural Self-Employment Program, RUSEM, at Pakshikere, he established the St. Joseph the Workers' School of Agriculture at Vamanjur and spearheaded relief programs including food for work and mother and child health initiatives. His notable projects like the Beltangadi and Kundapur package programs brought significant benefits to countless families through community engagement.
Reverend Father Arthur Cyril Pereira, renowned for his administrative prowess. Reverend Father Arthur Cyril Pereira skillfully led CODP during his tenure. His adept drafting skills garnered support for crucial projects such as the revolving fund housing project and drought relief efforts. Notably, he substantially reduced the number of children in orphanages by providing families with essential support and fostering self-reliance through income-generating activities.
Reverend Father Gerald Isaac Lobo. Reverend Father Gerald Isaac Lobo's visionary leadership left a lasting legacy, resulting in the construction of the current CODP building and the initiation of the Kasargod Integrated Development Project. Under his guidance, initiatives like the Sautarpet Community Development Project, Dalit Development Project, and Women Empowerment Project significantly impacted marginalized communities, realizing the vision of late Bishop Basil de Souza.
Reverend Dr. Ronald Coutinho. Reverend Dr. Ronald Coutinho, recognized for his organizational prowess, led development initiatives at CODP. He coordinated projects like the Women Empowerment Project and oversaw the establishment of the Institute for Social Development ISD. Dr. Ronald's collaborations with NGOs and government agencies propelled ISD's objectives forward, making it a leader in social development in Mangalore.
Reverend Father Faustin Lucas Lobo. Renowned for his captivating oratory skills, Reverend Father Faustin Lobo was a prominent figure in addressing issues and orchestrating various projects within CODP. His notable contributions included the establishment of the commercial complex, a strategic move towards CODP's self-reliance, and the inception of a network of like-minded NGOs, later registered as Bandhavya. Father Faustin's pioneering initiative, the Natural Resource Management Project at Muduferrar, paved the way for numerous soil, water, and waste management projects that continue to benefit communities to this day.
Reverend Father O'Neill de Souza. Known for his boundless energy and commitment, Reverend Father O'Neill de Souza served as a dynamic force within CODP. With a keen eye for professionalism, he steered the organization towards further growth while ensuring transparency every step of the way. Among his notable achievements were the establishment of vital institutions such as the CODP Extension Office at Kumbla Kasargod, the Cooperative Bank at Muduferrar, and the Milk Dairy at Ganjimat, along with the Milk Collection Center at Nirmarga. Moreover, Father O'Neill's leadership led to the adoption of 5 pivotal policies within CODP's administrative structure, the inception of a website to showcase CODP's impactful endeavors to the public, and the initiation of Educare, a program offering interest-free loans to deserving students pursuing professional courses.
Reverend Father Oswald Montero. A diligent worker, Reverend Father Oswald Montero demonstrated unwavering dedication to both the sustainable development of CODP and the welfare of its staff. Under his leadership, significant projects like Educare, which provided interest-free loans to thousands of students in need, while initiatives aimed at improving the conditions of local and migrant construction workers and raising awareness about cancer, underscored his commitment to social justice. His efforts also focused on enhancing natural resources, leading to sustainable development. Additionally, Father Oswald's introduction of new organizational policies and the provision of social security benefits such as the Employees Provident Fund and Employees State Insurance contributed to the well-being of CODP's staff. Notably, during natural disasters like severe floods, the spread of dengue, and the COVID-19 pandemic, CODP, under his guidance, played a crucial humanitarian role, extending support to thousands of affected individuals.
Reverend Father Vincent de Souza. In just 3 years, Reverend Father Vincent de Souza has significantly amplified CODP's visibility through strategic social media initiatives. While continuing existing projects, he has spearheaded the implementation of natural resource management solutions, including solar pumps and rainwater harvesting units at both CODP and RUSEMP. Initiatives such as goat rearing for organic farming and the promotion of the guava orchard at the RUSEMP campus reflect his commitment to sustainable practices. Father Vincent's contributions also include the recovery of overdue loans for self-help groups, the establishment of the occupational English test coaching program, and the extension of the student sponsorship plan to benefit seminarians, scholastics, and underprivileged nursing students. Moreover, his collaboration with NRI philanthropist Mr. Michael de Souza has focused on initiatives like Educare and housing for the poor, aimed at providing educational opportunities and housing solutions for the marginalized, commemorating CODP's Golden Jubilee.
The dedication and tireless efforts of secretaries have been instrumental in shaping CODP's journey of compassion and empowerment. As CODP celebrates its Golden Jubilee, it looks back on 5 decades of service with gratitude. But the journey doesn't end here. With the support of donors, well-wishers, and partners in development, CODP continues to march forward towards its vision of a just and peaceful society.
Join us in sowing hope as CODP's journey of empowerment continues. Together, we can make a difference.